The Eating Monster with the See-Through Tummy. This is the Eating Monster. He is not very good at reading or doing sports. In fact, the only thing the Eating Monster really loves to do is eat. Yummy, yummy. One day, the Eating Monster decided to try eating new things. This got him into big troubles with the neighborhood. Oh, Spike! The Eating Monster was always hungry, and the more he ate, the bigger he got. The Eating Monster ate so much and grew so big that he couldn't sleep in his bed anymore. He couldn't tie his shoelaces. He couldn't sit at his school desk. He couldn't play hide and seek. He couldn't ride his bike. In fact, the Eating Monster grew so big he couldn't even fit through his front door anymore. But the Eating Monster didn't care. He just wanted to eat and taste everything. So the Eating Monster got bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Unfortunately, as the Eating Monster got bigger, so did the things that he wanted to eat. Eventually, he got so big he began eating whole towns and cities. Nothing could satisfy his monster appetite. Cheese. Even the moon and planet Earth ended up on the Eating Monster's menu. Soon, there was nothing left for the Eating Monster to eat, as he floated through space with his tummy rumbling. He never thought that he would end up being eaten too.